For this math activity, you're going to use your knowledge of coins to add to show the written amount. So for number 1, you're going to add pennies to show the written amount. A is 15 cents. So think about this coin. This is a dime, so a dime is worth 10 cents. How many more pennies do I need to draw to make 15 cents? Well, if this is 10, I would need 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you're going to write a 1 inside each, or a P for pennies inside of each. Letter B, 28 cents. So think about this coin. How many more pennies do I need to make 28 cents? Letter C, 22 cents is what you need to get to. These coins are here. How many more pennies do I need to get to 22 cents? 32 cents is the goal. So here are some coins. How many more pennies do I need to draw to get to 32 cents? Now 2, they give you coins. You're going to count and figure out how many cents is there in all. So this is a dime. This is a dime. These 2 are pennies. So this would be 10, 20, 21, 22. You're going to do the same thing for B, C, D, and E. Count all of the coins in the box and write the total on the line.